Hey guys, I'm Shawn coming at you from Waco, Texas, live in the studio today. We're going to learn how to play Morgantown by Joni Mitchell today. Let's take a listen to the beginning. When morning comes to Morgantown. All right, great song. Love that song. My wife sings it really well. She's a big Joni Mitchell fan, and she has a Joni Mitchell type voice. So I'm going to try to get her to sing that. Maybe we'll post it on Facebook or something. Anyway, guys, we're going to learn that today. If you are new to my lessons, welcome to our online piano community, webpianoteacher.com, where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to learn piano online. You can do it if you pick the right lessons and you know how to practice. I'm going to help you to do both today. Let's get started. All right, so this is the little intro that I played for you. This is the part one, and we put all the lessons on the website because this is the way I make a living. I've been a piano teacher for my whole life, and I love it more and more every year. I really do. But all the rest of the parts are on the website. If you are a member, you also can download the sheets for this. That's a very neat thing to be able to do. But I transcribed the whole thing. I just put on my really good headphones and listen to every note. This is the guitar part at the beginning that translates very well to piano keyboard. And then the piano comes in later, and I also transcribe that as well. So I kind of do a mixing of both of those instruments to have a pleasing piano solo arrangement that you can play. Well, let's get to the board. All right, so got the Kawai MP11 SE in the studio today. I love it, and it's the piano I recommend if you're looking for one. The best action out there by far that you can have, and the sounds are wonderful. It's just an amazing instrument. But I have it on the pop piano sound today, especially with things that are kind of guitar sounding things. It just has a little more edge to the tone, so that's why I'm using that one instead of the concert grand sound on here. So this is the guitar part at the beginning. We're just going to stay on an A in the left hand. I'm actually going to do A, E, A. Bum, bum, bum. Just stay right there. All right, all the way through. So you can see those A's just kind of carry throughout. The chords change on top. You have an A chord. Then we go to have an E chord here on the top, and then a D minor. Back to an A chord. So picking the right lessons. This is not a very beginner lesson, maybe middle intermediate, I would say, could do this with not a lot of work. Okay, so you need to pick the right lessons. If you love the song, that's a great reason to do it. If this is where you are in your level, that's a great reason to do it. If it's below your level or right at your level, but if it's way above your level, I recommend playing a lot of the wonderful songs that are out there that are where you need to be. I have a lot of those on the website. All right, so right hand, C sharp, E, A, C sharp. So I'm above middle C, 1, 2, 4, 5 is what I'm using. So I'm just getting my fingers on the keys before I start. Okay. Dum, bum, 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 bum. Next measure, she goes B, D, B, E, B. I like to put an E there. I think maybe later she plays an E there, but this first time she goes. But it's okay to put an E in there. So first two measures, 1 and 2 and 4. And you want to do a different pedal for each measure. Pedal, pedal, another pedal. Now on this one, D, F natural, A, D, F, E. So you can go 2, 1 on that F, E, and then a D. So, and I hear A, A there. So low A, then a thumb A. Then a C sharp on the top, left hand on an A, and then A, E, and then A, C sharp. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and again on that last measure. Or 1, 2, and 3. That's actually what it should be. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So that's on count 2. 1, 2, and 3 and 4. So the whole intro and go. All right, and then we get into it after that. One more time for you. So there is our part 1 lesson. If you like that, we do the whole thing, like I said, on webpianoteacher.com. Download the sheets, learn other songs. I have other songs by Joni Mitchell on there as well. Guys, had a great time teaching this to you. See you on the website. Talk to you later.